Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Nikkormat camera. It comes with a Nikkor 50 f2. So this is the front condition of the camera. The sides, the other sides, the top, and the bottom. For this camera, I noticed that the light meter actually works. However, when I actually open it, I realized there's some corrosion on the bottom. This one is fine. And also when I open it, I realized that this part fell out. I'm not sure what is it. But after I replace the battery with a new one, it works. I can show you the light meter. Just to show you guys the condition of this camera so you can make a decision. Okay, so you can see that the light meter works. You can see here. So it works. You can see inside the viewfinder as well. Let me change the focus. So you can see that actually it moves. Okay, if I change the shutter speed. Okay, anyways, the light meter works. But yeah, I'm not sure what that part is for. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the condition of the lens. Okay, the side. Shine test. Alright. So I'll show you the shutter modes, the shutter speeds. So we start bulb mode. Okay, bulb mode works. I'm not gonna test the timer because people seldom use a timer, and there's one time when I tested timer, it just breaks. It broke the camera after I tested the timer, so I scared already. Okay, so just now 1 second works. Now I'm gonna do half second. Yeah. Okay. 104. 108. Okay. 115. Okay. 130. Okay. 160. Okay. 125. 250. Okay. 500. Okay. 1000. Okay. again 1/1000. Okay, 1/500. I think just now why it didn't show properly is because of the sync speed between the camera, my digital camera shutter on my phone and the shutter in the camera, most probably. But it should function fine. So I'm gonna be selling this off. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless. See you. Okay, I just learned something interesting about the light meter for the Nikkormat. So first off, before we start to use the light meter, need to make sure that you set the right ISO. So I actually find I need to do some research before I can realize how to actually set this. So I'm gonna show you now how to set the ISO for the light meter. So don't force the thing. You need to pull this lever here. Pull the lever, then only you change the ISO. So let's say I'm gonna shoot at the ISO 200 film now. So we're gonna set it at 200. Make sure it's secure, but don't force it. Then now it's set at 200. That's fine. So before you actually use a light meter, you need to make sure that the battery has sufficient voltage. Just now, I think the reason why the light meter doesn't show very ideally is because of the battery. So I now put a new battery. Actually, it's not exactly new, but it's a battery with sufficient voltage, as I checked with my multimeter. So it should work fine now. So you can see there's an external light meter here, and there's an internal one. So I'm gonna demonstrate for you how the internal one works. So please hold on. Adjust the camera a bit. Okay. So I'm gonna show you the screen. Okay, so let's say my vegetables there. Okay, so before you actually set the light meter, you need to make sure that the shutter is cocked, otherwise it doesn't work proper. And how to say, this red thing is actually revealed. You need to reveal this, so light meter only will work proper. So okay, let's see. Okay, so you can see that it's in between plus and minus, so it's properly exposed. But let's say I fumble around with the settings a bit. Let me change the shutter to something else, like let's say bulb mode. Okay, so now it's a negative, so I need to, I'm not sure why it's negative, but okay, change the settings. Okay, now it's positive, and then adjust the shutter, and now it's like, in between. So it should work fine. So after I take the shot, it's not winded. Okay, I think I'm wrong just now. Even if you don't wind it, it still work lah. So, but if you close it, then it off. See, you need to open it. If you close, then it off. See, show you. Okay, so now it works right. Then when I close, see, now it doesn't work. Then I open. Now it works. Okay, close, open, close, open. So you see. So this is how a Nikkormat light meter works, and hope you find this video helpful. Yeah, if you like this video and you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you everyone for watching this. See you guys. Bye. God bless. Sorry, one more thing. I noticed there's a crack on the mirror here, but it doesn't affect the viewfinder lah. So the camera still is functional. Okay, I found the part where I need to put it. I put it back here. Yeah. So this is how it's supposed to be. This is the location where it's supposed to be lah. So I put it back already. Just a corrosion part. It's a bit funny. Yeah. But the light meter still works lah. So okay.